In this tutorial, I will be showing you on how to actually export these structural drawings into AutoCAD for editing and printing, for even now submitting them to the client. Having said that, let me just go through via our initial tutorials, or how we had structured this tutorial or this series. You can see we had 6 parts, and I'm grateful I'm doing the last part, whereby now we are re-importing or re-exporting it to AutoCAD for further editing and showing you then how to print your drawing. So let's dive into it without wasting much time. So now that you have plotted your drawings into your software like the one you're seeing here, so the next thing that we'll do now is to save this drawing and export it to AutoCAD. But before we do that saving, let me just show you one more tip. So with me here, you can actually proceed with I want just to fill this title block with my beams. Remember in the previous video I showed you how actually to plot this before exporting, or how to insert your beams into title blocks before you export. And just a recap of the how to insert beams is that you just come and select your beams. Like here I've selected the first beam, the third beam. Now I can just come and select my fourth beam here. Just come and select your fourth beam here. We have it up to this level. Right click, copy selected, just move it. Now just pick it for place, just come. This is our beam size, just come and put it there. Just populate, just go and pick the last one. So you can simply come. Now we have 1, 2, 3. So you can copy the last one here. Copy the selected, keep it here. So having done that, so the next thing will be actually now exporting to ProtaStructure. To export to ProtaStructure, you can simply come to, under here we have details. Under details we have this export at DWG or a DXF format. So we want to export to DWG, just right click here, then just go to export. Alternative, you can simply come to here under file. Under file we have this export for external software, then just export to DWG. So just export that way. After which you can just choose your directory. Like for my case here, I can choose anywhere. Let's say I want to put it in maybe in D, and I want to throw it here in CAD bin. We can just say ProtaStructure, just leave it there, and then just click OK. Then just click export. This file, this is a file with same as the one you want to overwrite. No, just say no. Just go back. Just choose this Prota01. Then now click OK. Redo your export. Just come here, right click, export, change directory, just come to D. Under D, just choose Prota. Under Prota, just choose this Prota01. Just do that, export. So once you export your Prota model or your ProtaDetails, you can now go ahead and open your AutoCAD. And once you open your AutoCAD, the first thing to do is that you can actually go ahead and now open the model that you have exported. So to open, simply come to file here. Simply come to open. Under open, let me just start first by opening this the stone brick template first. Then I can actually go back to my model, this Prota01, and I can then just click this. Once the Prota open, just let it open with AutoCAD so that you have the two files. So we already opened this ProtaDetails, and now we have also opened, just continue. So quickly you can see now we have our drawings here, as you can see. So this is why I told you it's always recommendable that you put your drawings into actually sheets, so it will be very easy. So what I'll do here, I'll copy these sheets into my stone brick template, which to help me in editing. So what I'll do, I'll simply click on this, just select them. Let me make sure that I've selected them correctly. So I'll simply click these sheets here. Remember, these are the default ProtaDetail templates, and then you can also come here, just come and select this, come also and select this, just showing you maybe just what you can do to get along with this. Just a quick demo, not that much detail, just a quick demo, but will be then just come here, then say that you copy, then go to your stone brick template, under which you just come to this modeling section here. The modeling, just give it time. Yes, here it is. So you just pick the copied template, just come to copy to clipboard, then just say paste, then select an area that you want to paste. Then I would like you to notice what happens once we paste our, yes, here our drawing. As you can see, this is what we have as this is what we had as a default. Let me just make a proper arrangement for this. Just right click this, just keep it there, just copy this, right click, copy. If maybe you don't have this template, you can always reach out, I'll share it. You can actually buy me coffee, I'll as well share it with you. So also come pick this. I want just to show you the difference, just a minute, and just come place it here. You can also come and pick this your column layer here. Just right click, copy. Finally, we are here. So I'd like you to notice that once I pasted my drawings into stone brick template, this is how they appeared. They immediately changed their line weight for the columns. You can see they are more presentable. Compare this one and what I had in the default imported drawings. You can see what's the difference. You can just see this, what we have here. So if you print this one, they are not going to be visible. All members are like going to be the same. Then, but for the ProtaDetail, you can actually see, let's just use like this column as example. You can see all these members are of same line weight. But if we come to these ProtaDetails, you can see we have actually done some improvement on our members by putting different line weights and modeling. So what has remained here is actually doing further editing, maybe for the beams and what have you. Though I'm not going there, I will just show you how you can export your details to AutoCAD, and then you again copy to clipboard and you paste them into stone brick template. So in my subsequent videos, I'll be showing you how now you can edit this beam, now you can edit your slab, you can do everything correctly the way it's supposed to. However, I want just to print one, just to print and preview what we so far have. Let's just come here, right click. Once you right click, or not right click, just come to plot. Under plot here, you can just change this one to DWG to PDF, and then let's choose an A3 size. An A3 size one, a horizontal A3 size paper. Yes, that one, and then just come do window. Just select from here all along to this part here. And then what you can do just preview. to see the drawing that you now have. You can actually see they are very much readable, but now they are not edited. Like this one should now just do some small editing, but you can see our drawings are visible.